Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to download YouTube videos in your device. So let's begin. And just go to the search bar of YouTube and search something like you want to download. For example, I am downloading Fat Rat Monoday. Copy the link or you can cut whatever you want. You can get it from share option too. Just copy. And now you have to open a new tab. Search www.tubeoffline.com. I will give it in my description so you can find it easily. And now just scroll down and select YouTube from here. After that, just paste your URL here and click on get video. From here, as you can see, different option like MP4, 360p, 480p, 720p. For example, I am selecting 720p for the video. Just wait for 100% done, and now select on download now. So as you can see, suggesting to download.